of the New Patriotic Party, Atrokrata, yeah, all caution about to say he should be very mindful and careful of the decisions are all taking. Ni anamobia wo tu ne on say ababesi so you should be very careful of anamobia wo tu enne because ochina to me betumi asesa ebedi ho enkomo ewo eye ehonoma no pay sanso na ebedi nkomo Ghana Chamber of Mines are reject IEA say ye nationalize your mines no ba bia to go no ye nationalize no ye ba bedi ho nkomo anopay ewo ehonum President John Dramani Mahama and so actually every decisions are who and penny for who do a take when it comes to Damai mine takeover and also your baby room na fear in common ya said here and seminal is it here and common Edolson Minister of Health Minta Kando are directed say young recruit to a year and now young post to medical doctors and midwives and found mother and child hospital Kaswa after incident a see a pregnant woman be a firm a shilling nkwa now kaide bia me catch say Kamia say your leaders and Kamia say your leaders now your more kruma hanom no wo mo emergency thinkers this are some wasi asem we are and say no more find it out because we send card sa doctor na asefo no wo ho a we sure send card mami opemfo yi ko be hwere nkwa so you see we have bunch of emergency thinkers leading us in this country, bunch of them, a whole lot of them. Yaba ibedi hon komo, no fidima, and komo no doso. Nti yaba ibabe 20 nyina so. Ade amawo kasa fidie. So once again, we the Kwame Agyarko. Keep us company from this time, which is 7 o'clock exactly till 9:30 a.m. Yaba the akamu nyina yede be to aso. Ade amawo ewo hono. Good morning. Abed me that's go.